In this box, I'm covering up a sticker up here that has my address on it. In this box is the perfect bag for autumn. It's in the color Acorn, which is very autumny. So let's open it up and see what it is after this quick message. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. This is a handbag that I already have two of. I bought a third that I returned, so this will be the third that hopefully I'm keeping. This is a colorway that's been discontinued. I'm looking for my little knife. But it recently popped up on the manufacturer's website again. I'll tell you about that in a minute. I was surprised to see it, and it was a really good price because when you find them elsewhere, they're hard to find in this colorway still. I think there may be a place or two, and if I can find that, I'll link it below, that does still have it. But it popped up on the manufacturer's website again as a sale item, and I jumped on it because I'd been looking for it for a few months. And like I said, it's in the color Acorn. And there's something special about it besides that too. So I just felt like it was the perfect autumn bag, and I just had to have it. So let's get the box open and see if it really is so perfect and special. I got a receipt. I got some little literature. Now the last time I ordered from this company, I'll tell you, well, you'll see in just a second what it is. They sent me a little perfume sample. I didn't get one this time, that's too bad, but I did get a literature about the perfume. It was just a little card. If I showed you, it'd give away what it is, but I'm gonna give it away right now. It's from Minkoff. And this bag popped up in their recent sample sale, which I think by the time I get this video up will still be going on, but this bag sold out in the first day. Sorry about that, but that's why I bought it so quickly, because I knew it would not last. All right, it is in here, and let's get the wrappings off. Well, that sticker came off without ripping the tissue paper. Amazing! This unboxing is going so well already. That's a good sign. Uh-oh, the tissue paper was stuck to the tape on the bag that the handbag is in. Is that a bad sign? It's stuck to the whole side here. Oh no! Someone did a bit of a poor job wrapping this in terms of there being tape everywhere. Everything is stuck together. I wasn't able to get it out safely. There's the corner. The wrapping didn't make it in one piece. Here's the front. Let me get more wrapping off. I mean, it was wrapped in tissue paper and then a bag and then tissue paper. That part was well wrapped, but everything was stuck together. All right, here it is. It is the Minkoff Edie shoulder bag. So this bag comes in two sizes. This is the larger size. And this is in the color Acorn, which is like a burnt orange. And what's special about it, besides the cool color, is the hardware. As I think you can tell, perhaps, I hope, it is mixed metals. So the buckle here is in silver, but then some of the accents on the hardware are in gold. It's very much mixed because this piece is gold, this little piece that moves up and down is gold, as is the little button there that you move up and down, and then this piece is gold and that round piece is gold. The grommets there are gold, but the chain is silver. I won't go too in detail on the details of this bag because I have another video where I do that. I will link that below. I also have a video where I compare this bag, the Edie shoulder bag, to the Tory Burch Kira bag. They're very similar, but I happen to prefer this bag. One thing I can tell you right away, first impressions, touching this leather, I wasn't 100% sure I would love this leather as much as I love my other Edie bag, which is a crinkled leather. This is more, it's almost like a caviar leather, but it's not quite as pronounced. Let me show you a quick comparison. So this is the Chanel caviar compared to the Minkoff caviar-like leather. They are very similar. First impression of the Minkoff leather is it's very soft, and if I compare the Chanel next to it, I would say they're just as soft. It's just as soft as the Chanel. Oh, it's so pretty, I love it. Inside the bag, they have that stuff too, so let me get that out. Oh, and this says, found the tags here. It says it's the Edie flap shoulder bag in the color Acorn, and the suggested retail price, or the original retail price, was $298. They had it on the sample sale for, I think it was $159, and then I had another code. I'll link that code below for you too. Hopefully it'll still work. And I don't know the percentage off I got, but it took the price down to 130 something. And I think maybe shipping was free. They still had to charge tax, of course. There's a dust bag inside. Okay, so before I show you the inside, let me do a quick spin of the outside. Again, I'm not going to go into too much detail here, but there's the front and the side. And then the back, this is a magnetic snap here with a giant slit pocket, and it has this textile lining. It's the same lining as on my other bag. And then the other side, and then how the chains are attached with the grommets that go this way, not this way. The straps, I've said in my other video, I wish those were a little thicker, like a little wider and a little thicker to pad your shoulder better. And then to open the bag, this snap hook is just for decoration. There's actually a magnetic snap right there, and it has that same textile lining inside. You have one big pocket here, one big pocket here, a zippered compartment in the center, and then a zippered pocket in the back. Oh, and here's the bottom. It's quite nice. Let me do a quick mod shot for you. I really like it. You can wear the chain doubled like this, or you can make it a long chain. And I'm 5'3" for reference. So here's the long chain on the shoulder. It hits me, see, the bottom of my hip is right here, so it's a little bit below that. It's the perfect length for crossbody. And then with the chain doubled, it hits right here. Also perfect length. It's fantastic. The perfect autumn bag for autumn. Can't get over how soft this leather is. It feels really nice. And I wanted to point out too about the mixed metals, the little thing right there, and then the loop, the metal loop there, those are both in gold. And again, the chain is silver. They do have the mixed metals on a couple of their other Edie bags. Oh, and I did return that ganache one. I know everybody said, and I could tell too when I edited the video, on the video it did look like it was a chocolate brown, but I'm telling you, in person it looked black, and I just did not like it. So that went back. This is replacing it perhaps. There's still one more that I have my eye on that I'm so disappointed. I found it on the RealReal the other day. It's an anthracite. I'll put a picture up here. It's like a gunmetal silver, and it has the same kind of snakeskin sort of pattern texture to it that the ganache one had. And this is a very difficult to find bag, but the RealReal had it, and I bought it, and then I found out a day or two later that somehow the sale didn't go through, even though I got a confirmation. I feel like some part of it went through my bank account too, like it was a pending charge or something. But then I went back and it wasn't in my orders, and then I looked on the website and it had been sold to someone else. So I don't know what happened there. That's actually the second time that's happened to me recently on the RealReal, so I need to call them and get that straightened out because I don't know what is happening. So I almost had the anthracite bag, but I'm still on the lookout for that. I think I found a place that had it for $300, maybe $350 even, or $400, I don't know. More than I wanted to pay. I prefer to keep these bags around $150, but it's just so pretty. And I gotta say, you know, I've been buying a lot of these more contemporary brand kind of bags lately. And to me, this is very good quality. This is comparable to the luxury brands. And I've had, not much of this, but a comment here or there that these bags aren't luxury. I have to disagree. I mean, it's certainly different people's opinions, and that's fine. Luxury isn't just the luxury brands. Luxury to me is more about the quality of it, and some of the luxury brands, Louis Vuitton, the quality stinks these days. I mean, you pretty much, especially if you order something online, you expect to be sending it back because you expect that there's going to be a problem with it. So that to me is not luxury, and I certainly don't limit my definition of luxury just to luxury brands. So anyway, that's kind of another topic. I love this bag. I recommend if you can find it. I will try to find some and put links below for you. Otherwise, I will also put the Rebecca Minkoff sample sale link below with the discount code that I used on it, and hopefully you can find something there that you like, because they do still have a lot of handbags on there. I checked this morning, and there is an Edie bag on there, but it's just, this one's not available anymore. I would encourage you to check it out. And while I have you here, I have to tease this coming Saturday's video. I'm collabing with Yota Style, Winnie B. LV, and Styled by Gwenny. We are all doing a Halloween special together, and I promise you it is going to be epic. You don't want to miss it. I'm so excited about it. I don't know a lot of details about their videos, but I know what I'm doing, And it's gonna be good, guys. It's gonna be good. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you and your loved ones are doing well. Hope to see you back here next time. Hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.